Hi guys! Have you been seeing this adorable little penguin all over TikTok and YouTube lately? These GuguGaga AI videos are becoming incredibly popular, and many people are wondering how they're made. Well, in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create these cute viral videos using Edimakor. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Method 1. Using templates. No prompts, no editing. Now launch Edimakor and click New Project. Then go to AI Video Templates. Inside the template library, you'll discover a wide variety of trending and visually impressive templates that can help you create amazing videos with just a few clicks. Feel free to explore and experiment with them. Next, open the Pet Showtime section and find the GuguGaga template. Then click Create. For this tutorial, I recommend using the Cdance 2 video generation model. After that, upload a photo of your GuguGaga character, set the duration and resolution, and then click Generate. Take a look at the result. The generated GuguGaga video is absolutely adorable. Method 2. Using AI prompts. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt template I provided in the description into the chat box, then hit enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 creative GuguGaga video ideas for you. Simply choose one of the ideas and reply with your selection. ChatGPT will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt automatically. Step 2. Create the image. Now go to AI Image, Image Generator, Reference Image. For this tutorial, I'll use the Google Nano Banana 2 model to generate the image. Next, upload a reference image of GuguGaga, then copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, and then click Generate. After a short wait, your new GuguGaga image will be created automatically. Step 3. Generate the video. Now select the GuguGaga image generated by Edimakor, right-click it, and choose Image to Video. For this video, I'll be using the Kling 3 AI model. Next, paste the video prompt generated by ChatGPT into the prompt box. Set the duration and mode, then click Generate. A few moments later, your own cute GuguGaga video will be ready. Once your video is finished, don't forget to share it on YouTube and include the Edimakor AI tag. You may even receive additional bonus credits from Edimakor. And that's it for today's tutorial. Go download Edimakor and start creating your own adorable GuguGaga AI videos. Who knows? Your next video might become the next viral sensation on TikTok and YouTube.